Hi everyone, this is PharmaSis Mom. Today's video is going to be about what's in PharmaSis Mom's emergency pouch. I made this pouch ever since I started carrying around a diaper bag because anything can happen anytime to anyone. And it helps if you have a personalized mini first aid kit with you. First, I want to introduce this zip bag I purchased from Amazon, and I'll link it down below also. It looks like this. If you order it, it comes in 3 pouches, and I wanted something durable and clear so I could see what's in it. And I came across this zip bag, and it's so useful. It's like zip bag like this. There's like a lot of different designs that you could choose, and the description says it's also TSA compliant, which may be something moms and dads would be looking for if you travel frequently. And it also says you can wipe it clean, but I have washed this in the washing machine before, and it was fine. They come in 3 sizes, like I said before, and right now I have the small, which is like a little bigger than my hand, and there's a medium size, and this is the large size, which is like two palms. And I don't have the medium size because I made another emergency pouch for my mom, so that's with my mom. Okay, and now let's get into what I put in my emergency pouch. Here I have laid out the contents, and we're going to put each item in the bag together. I always put flattened items first so I can create some kind of padding in the bag. So let's start with the alcohol pads. These are so necessary. When someone gets a cut or your toddler falls and scrapes his or her knee, always sterilize the wound before applying any kind of antibiotic and Band-Aid. What I have here is the CVS and Kroger brand, but I have also purchased a box of alcohol swabs from Amazon. It's the BD alcohol swabs. BD is also a really popular brand for the needles and lancets for diabetic patients. And I bought a box of 100 swabs for under $4. So it was really affordable. And I'll link it below too. So let's put these pads in. I use the small one, so put these pads in like this. Now the Band-Aids. So I have different kind of Band-Aids, as you can see. I'm going to start with the NextCare waterproof ones. I'll also link this down below so you can get quick access to it. Here it's the really big one. It's like a size of my palm. And there are different sizes. This one is the largest one. This one is like medium. Oh yeah, medium. These I use really frequently. This is like the size of my index finger. And these really small ones. It's perfect for my toddler because he always falls and scrapes his knee and face. And I use more of the medium size and the small ones because they're very useful for myself and my toddler. These are amazing. When my toddler scraped his forehead, I put this on and it stayed on for more than 24 hours even after bath. So here I'm going to put them in here. And these are just the regular Band-Aids, the small ones. These are good for minor bug bites, so your toddler or yourself won't irritate it. And for wounds that don't need total coverage, and it's okay to have the Band-Aids be removed. I'm gonna put that in here like this. Looks like this so far. And this is like a character Band-Aid for my toddler. So I'm gonna put that in here as well. Now here I have 2 pouches of on-the-go Desitin. Um, these I received from baby packages when I had my toddler, and I haven't used them. I've been saving it for real emergency situations. So I'm gonna put these in as well. And here I have Aquaphor 0.35 fluid ounce and Neosporin Plus Pain Relief ointment, which is 0.5 fluid ounces. This Aquaphor I use really well for my toddler's facial rash due to drooling. He doesn't drool as much now, but I also use it if he has dry patch skin or when I have dry lips. I personally think Aquaphor is better than Vaseline because Aquaphor is very thick and stays on longer, whereas Vaseline, it's less thick and so it comes off faster. If you don't have travel size Aquaphor but have the Lancino, the HPA lanolin, that's also good too. I also used this before I purchased the Aquaphor. It's just as thick and it's also safe for infants, so which means it's safe for toddlers as well. So this one I used all of it, so this is gonna go bye-bye soon. And this is also really good too, the Neosporin. This is the like #1 recommended antibiotic ointment for anybody. So this is like super needed in the emergency pouch. So I'm gonna put these in here. So it looks like this so far. Now let's get into what's in the Ziploc bag. It's Q-tip for infants. Looks like this. It looks a little different from the ones that sell at local pharmacies or local grocery markets. This is smaller and it's firmer, which works better for my toddler. I also purchased this from Amazon and I'll link it below as well. The container looks like this. It's Korean, but they sell it on Amazon. Comes in a round container like this, and there's 210 Q-tips. Let me open it. It also opens like this. Looks like this. It's like smooth at the end and like ribbed at the other end. I use these Q-tips to deliver Neosporin or Aquaphor to the wounds. I try not to use my finger on the Neosporin or Aquaphor so I don't contaminate it, just in case, I'm outside and I don't have clean hands. So here, this is how it looks like. It's wooden and it's so useful. So I just put a little bit in the Ziploc bag and I put it like in the front or at the top. Like this. Lastly, or no, penultimately, I carry around a couple of cough drops so I don't cough into people's faces. This is just in case I need something to, down my cough. And lastly, I carry around the travel size Tylenol and ibuprofen. The Tylenol is extra strength and it carries 10 caplets, 500 milligrams each. Let me open it. And the tablets look like this. And they're like child resistant top, so it's safe. And here I have the ibuprofen, 200 milligram 10 coated tablets. And this also carries 10, but I finished it, so I refilled it with the Advil 200 milligrams gel capsules. So I close this, and then I'll just roll them in here. And my mini emergency pouch is all packed. When I come across something that I've been using frequently, I don't hesitate to add it to my emergency pouch, and vice versa. If there's something I haven't used for a while, I take it out of my pouch. You can personalize and customize your own mini pouch in any way you'd like, and this is so useful, and it easily fits into diaper bags and purse, and it's easy to move around. You don't have to, take each like Band-Aid and medication and Neosporin like every time you move bags. Hope this helped. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you later.